Hi, my name is Ella. Let's dive into what's new in this release. This version is compatible with earlier releases and can be installed on top of existing instances. Note that Flow Manager requires a database to store the Flow repository. If you are using MongoDB, check that the version is 6.0, especially before performing an update. Before proceeding with an upgrade, it's important to note that if you manage multiple source and target subscriptions using advanced patterns through REST APIs, since February 2024 update or later, you'll need to adjust your API requests to include both general and specific transfer CFT properties. The September release improves the user experience by highlighting modified and undeployed transfer CFT parameters in the user interface. Previously, you could use the user-defined in settings, single sign-on, even if this user had no rights. However, starting with this version, this user has now been removed from SSO and you can no longer log in to the external identity provider using it. Two flows can now share a subscription with the same directory. This option is available when the partner is a client, source pushes and target pulls for the following flows. There is the same published directory for two flows where the target pulls files from secure transport, and the same directory can receive from the source and publish to the target. For one flow, the source pushes secure transport to a received directory, and for another, the target pulls a file from the published directory. Starting with this release, Alpine base image was replaced with Ubuntu 24.04 for the Flow Manager container. In the latest version, template and subscription parameters that are not deployable, such as tags, descriptions, and custom attributes, do not impact the status of the subscription or flow if you update them. Thanks for watching. Find more information and resources in the description below. If you are not familiar with Flow Manager, check the description below to access free introductory product training. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.